There have been a lot of success stories which have not been reported in the international media, which needs immediate attention. In terms of strategic communications, I think there is a need of building on the local media capacity and bringing out those success stories from where success can be built on to long-term stabilization processes. The message in Afghanistan is that things have not worked and things are very difficult, and that has been the projection of the international media. My recent travels to Afghanistan and discussions of the people in the field indicate that there have been huge areas where success has been achieved. But the point is, how do you translate this success into long-term gains? And thereby, a media strategy in terms of strategic communications is essential. Having said that, I would also like to emphasize a little bit on the development initiative which needs attention. The visit to Kandahar had been successful in terms of looking at areas which have been cleared of the insurgency, but the concerns of the people there remain primarily on the development and reconstruction aspect of the entire strategy. There is tremendous work to be done there. There are women groups who want to do much more, and there are a lot of local initiatives which need to be built on. Prospects for long-term stabilization of Afghanistan will not rely only on the security aspect, but a long, coordinated and a well-defined strategy which puts Afghans in the lead, builds on their capacity and looks at a forward-looking agenda. There is a need to look at Afghanistan beyond the local and the national level, and that's at the regional integration aspect of it. The discovery of the minerals and the potential for the energy pipelines to pass through Afghanistan, building on Afghanistan as a transit country whereby trade and investment would benefit the country is critical at this juncture. Making Afghanistan the hub of transport network, making Afghanistan a transit country whereby goods between Central Asia and South Asia could traverse, and also building on those energy pipelines like the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India pipeline would bring in tremendous economic benefit for the entire region, and more importantly for Afghanistan, as it would generate jobs, generate revenue which Afghanistan needs, and to move beyond an aid-dependent country to a self-sustaining and evolving economy.